Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
New Delhi, the Delhi University Teachers Association, DUTA, and the Delhi University Principals Association, DUPA, on Tuesday expressed concern over the delayed and inadequate release of maintenance grants by the University Grants Commission, UGC, and Government of NCT of Delhi to the Univa. The delay is causing uncertainty and anxiety in the university community and causing great hardship to the teaching and non-teaching employees and superannuated staff, the office bearers of the two associations said after a joint meeting. They sought immediate attention of the University Grants Commission to ensure timely and sufficient release of due salaries, benefits and arrears to employees and pensioners. The two associations also appealed to the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Finance, Government of India to intervene and ensure timely release of adequate grants in aid. The joint meeting felt that the earlier practice of releasing grants on quarterly basis should be restored as per the approved budget estimates submitted by the colleges to the UGC. The meeting also noted that the UGC's move to seek information from colleges regarding grants given in the past 10 years and more was causing unwarranted uncertainty. The meeting also discussed the financial issues afflicting the 12 colleges funded fully by the Government of NCT of Delhi. The associations were critical of the manner in which the funds were released to these colleges, as a result of which their normal day-to-day functioning was severely affected. The office bearers appealed to the Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister of Delhi for timely and release of full grants, sanction of the teaching and non-teaching posts, and starting the process of recruitment of teaching and non-teaching staff immediately. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.